One of the best laing dishes I've tried for sure. And oh my gosh, sobrang crunchy na lechon kawali. I got invited by Cafe Cookie ni Ida to try their desserts and dishes. Let's go! Love the aesthetic vibe of this place. Ordered the salted cream latte while waiting for the food and this was pretty good. Lasa naman yung salted cream and strong yung coffee, not too sweet. I wanted to try their lasagna kasi ito talaga yung kinikrave ko that time and it did not disappoint. Super simple and straightforward type of lasagna that really hit the spot for me. Balanced yung flavors and pasta was al dente. Pero ito na nga, yung laing nila super sarap lang talaga eh. And recently, I found out na from Bicol pala sila and all of their meals are home cooked so that made a lot of sense. Di lang yung laing yung legit even the lechon kawali was super tasty and crispy. Since mag-isa lang ako that day, 2 dish lang yung na-order ko but guys, marami pa silang ibang food sa menu and hopefully matry ko din yung iba soon. Dami nitong cookies and in fairness, everything was good naman but I have my favorites pa din. Super cute nitong Milky Way BTS inspired cookie